Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and this is the Sena Magia Zip Case. It's a handcrafted genuine leather case for the Apple iPad 2 or the iPad 3. Now Sena makes some really nice products. They use very high quality materials as well. They don't skimp anywhere, so I'm really excited to bring you this video. So because this is genuine leather, it is going to have to be put to the Geekanoids sniff test. So let's give this a little smell. Oh wow, that is a really nice quality leather. Very nice smell to it. A fresh smell, really fresh smell. None of this sort of chemical smell on this one. So really loving the actual quality so far. Let's have a look before I put the iPad in it. We've got the Sena logo on the front here. We've got some nice detailed stitching around here as well. You can see the really nice zips with the Sena logo on them and a double zipped case. Let's have a look around this side. Wow, looking good. Now we've obviously got a cutout on the back. I'll show you that again in a short while. And a little sort of flap as well. So this is so that you can stand this case up. Now normally these cases, these are sort of folio cases, so they don't come with zips. So this is something a little bit different. So let's open this up. Really nicely presented. A little bit of packing inside. We've also got some details about how to install the iPad into it, and I'm seeing this more and more often nowadays. Instead of you actually clipping the iPad into the case, it's got this sort of sticky material, so we're going to actually be sticking the iPad in. So before I do that, let's have just a look at this side. Now we've got a full sort of size pouch here where we can put some paperwork. We've got some extra sort of pouches on the front. We've got a business card holder, some credit card holders here as well. A little loop for if you do use a stylus, you can put a stylus into this little loop. Let me just show you that a little bit better. So we have got a loop section here. And then it's got this sort of really nice soft material. So nice sort of microfiber suede felty type feel to it. So to fit the iPad in, we need to remove this little sticky sort of backing. So let's do that. And this is sort of a very tacky material. Feels a lot tackier than on some of the other cases I've been testing. And it's going to really give a firm grip on your iPad. So we're going to get the iPad and we're going to offer this up to the case. Now I always struggle lining the camera up to the actual hole in the back. So I'm going to try and do this a little bit better on this particular case. And I'm going to not push it down too hard. I'm just going to have a look, see how that lines up. And it needs to sort of move over and down a little bit. So I'm going to have to remove it again straight away. So remove that over and down a little bit. And let's have another quick look. Still needs to go over and down a little bit. Very difficult to fit these cases. Let's have a look at that one. That's better. So that's the actual camera lined up, and now we're going to give this a nice sort of press down just to make sure it is gripped by that back section. So there we go, that is in the case. It's not going anywhere, it is not moving. So let's close this up. We will do the zips up just for demonstration purposes. So there we go, that is it in the case. Nice amount of padding on the front, nice amount of padding on the back. We can see with that realignment where I was putting the iPad into the case, we've now got the camera lined up, so you can use that through the case. Let's open this up again and we'll have a look at this little stand function. So we're obviously able to sort of open the case like so. And in this format, you can obviously stand the case up and stand your iPad up in this horizontal format, so nice for viewing back videos. Now there's no typing angle on this case, you can't lower it down to that lower angle, and I don't really think it will work in this orientation. It's not really designed to do this. So no, we've got no stand up in the portrait orientation, it's just purely in this horizontal orientation for viewing back videos. If you were to fold the case all the way back and actually hold it in your hand, there's obviously quite a lot of bulk there. It's a little bit uncomfy to hold, but not impossible. It is okay to hold like this. So this is it. This is a really nice case. Loving the Sena Magia Zip Case. Once it's zipped up, you've got a really nice looking case to carry your iPad around in with some really great protection. This stand section here on the back just pop studs back into place and it looks really classy. Now in the US, this is going to cost you around about $119, so quite expensive for a case, but not too much for the sort of quality you're getting, and that equates to around about £74 in the UK. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, please do subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.